Hello, my friends. It is Misty, and I'm going to share with you my newly acquired Spring 2025 Fabfitfun box. Let's see what's inside. Now, you all know the spiel. Fabfitfun is a nice place where nice people can get nice things for nice prices. It's all curated in California. Every box is customizable with 6 full-size items for beauty, fashion, wellness, and fitness. Y'all know I love my fitness. And each box is valued up to $350. There are 2 types of memberships. You can do a seasonal membership for $69.99 per quarter. That's 4 times a year. And if you use my code right here or in the description, you will get 20% off of your first box. There's also the annual membership, which is $219 for the year, and you get 4 boxes each quarter: spring, summer, winter, and fall, or however you want to arrange those seasons. And if you use my code for your sign up, you will get a free gift, which is valued up over $200. The cool thing about becoming a member on Fabfitfun is that you get flash sale discounts of up to 70% off. And I can tell you that I have fallen in love with some of the items that I have gotten in my box, and I have then waited for the flash sale and got them for 70% off. So it's a pretty good deal. All right, let's open her up and let's see what's inside. All right, get her open. I want to say that the boxes are always so fun. Look at that, Fabfitfun, curated in California. I did fill out the customization form, so you do get options, and I chose the options that I wanted, and this is what I'm most excited about here. I'm getting ready to go on a vacation, and I needed a little windbreaker jacket. This one is from Ba-A. I think that's how you pronounce it, at least. It's a running jacket for all the running that I'm gonna do when I'm on my vacation. It is size inclusive, so they do have plus size options. This here jacket is a plus size. I do believe it is a 1X, but let's try it on. Super cute, right? It's got nice little pockets here on the side, so this is gonna be great just to be able to kind of fold up real small, put in my suitcase, and take it on my vacation. Okay, the next item that we got in our box is a vent brush. I've actually seen these posted in a lot of other places, and I've always been a little curious about it. Hang on. Okay, so it's this nice vented brush. So after you get out of the shower, it's got these nice wide bristles. You can get through all of those tangles. It's also very, very lightweight. All right. See, and I'm going to be able to try it out with my subscription from Fabfitfun. So this is going to work out great. The next item is this Trina Turk picture frame. My daughter recently got married, and so I saw this and I thought it would be a perfect frame to put her wedding picture in. Let's take it out of the box. It's packaged very, very well, Fabfitfun. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. It's this gold wave detail. It's very modern looking. It's branded on the back, and you can even do it portrait or landscape. So this is going to be perfect to put my little baby girl's wedding picture in. Next, I got some jewelry. So these are little bracelets here made by 8OR, I do believe. They are little gold beaded bracelets that I think would be a great little accent to wear all together. These are really, really cute. Now, these are adorable. Adorable little bracelets, perfect for travel. Just to add a little bangle to your outfit. Oh, I got some earrings. So I'm going to take my earrings off so I can try the new ones on. Okay, these earrings are made by Crystal Hayes, and they come in this cute little orange back. They are an orange faceted little diamonds in there. They're going to go with our little gold bracelet, right? Oh, these are really, really cute. Those are adorable. I think they're going to look great with my bracelet for my vacation. The next item I got in my box is this Love AJ and Alyssa Lynch bracelet. This is fancy. I've seen some other people wear these necklaces, and I've always kind of wanted one. And you could wear this sparkly, bangly, jewelry bracelet necklace at any time to be fancy and sparkly. Let me try it on. Okay, so this one is silver, so it's not going to go with my gold, but I really like this. You can see it looks a little bit like a chain necklace, but then you've got that the little sparkle there. So you can be just extra, extra sparkly whenever you want. So guys, that was my spring 2025 FabFitFun box. If you want to get your own, make sure that you use the link down in the description and save 25% off of your first box if you want the seasonal membership, or get that $200 free gift if you decided to get the annual membership. Love it. It's so much fun to get a little bit of something for yourself every once in a while because you deserve it.